This is an unboxing video for the Instant Pot Max. The Instant Pot is a popular pressure cooker that can be used for multiple functions in the kitchen. There are several models out there, and the Instant Pot Max is the newest model as of May 2019. So inside the box, I begin unloading the contents. The box includes instruction manuals and a recipe book, a power cable. Here's the main unit. The cover comes off with a twist. Inside the main pot, they put other contents, including rubber mittens, a plastic rice cup, plastic spoons for rice and soup, a condensation container, and there's also a steamer tray, a steamer tray in there. The Instant Pot Max is supposed to replace many appliances. It can be used as a pressure cooker, a pressure canner, a sous vide cooker, a slow cooker, a rice cooker. It can be used as a sautéing and searing pan. It can be a steamer, a yogurt maker, a food warmer, and other things. I'm gonna have to figure all that out. The Max is also supposed to be able to achieve a pressure of 15 pounds per square inch, which cooks food faster and allows you to do pressure canning. The sous vide function is new for the Max. This allows you to target certain temperatures for cooking food. It also features several safety mechanisms, including 5 sensors, which is important because these pressure cookers release steam, and you need to do that safely to keep yourselves and your kids safe from scalding. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I have a cooking playlist on my channel, and I hope to add more videos using the Instant Pot in the future. Thanks for watching.